Good morning, guys. Today is December 3rd, 2021. Today is Friday, first week of December, so we have NFP. Now, uh, I did get stopped out of one trade. It was my Aussie New Zealand dollar. I did move my stops. Like I said, as you can see, I got here. Now, like I said, because NFP was coming out, we could, massive moves could happen. And literally, like, let me go down to a 5 minute chart, right? All right, look how, look at all these candles, right? This is a period of like I said, days on days. And literally from what? From here, from yesterday until today, it literally in one 5 minute candle, it came up, stops. As I said, so I had moved my stops lower um last night because like I said we started breaking down, and so since we started breaking down, I kind of had stops like around this level and or some like somewhere around right here, and the guy literally got took out during NFP. Literally NFP, it is 9 in the morning, 30 minutes ago. I literally got taken out of this trade. So that's it for that pair. We gained about just a little bit under 1%. Just a little bit under 1%, so that trade was okay. We do have Australian dollar busting out, you know what I'm saying? Busting out, like I drew this level up yesterday, and I told you guys, if we could break past this level, I look to be moving stops right here, right? Well, we did. Like I said, same reason why I just want to scoot up my stop loss just a little bit more so I could cover profits. And just in case, things came down bad, but luckily it did not. It almost did, as you can see. We almost got took out, but we quickly rallied up over this point. And so that's very good to see. Euro British pound. I drew up this level, seeing if we could break this level, then I would look to, like I said, move my stops lower. As you can see, we did not break this level, and right now we're pushing up. And like I said, NFP came out, we pushed up, we're now coming back down. So we're sitting, like I said, only about a dollar in there in the trade right now. But like I said, trade is still looking good for the long-term downtrend of the market. Like I said, we pushed all the way up, retested trend line, came down. Like I said, before I move stops, I do want to see price push down and then continue down. If not, like I said, I'm not gonna really touch my stops. I don't know if I really want to allow it to go all the way up there, but like I said, I do believe in the trend, and the euro is a weak pair against the pound, so I do see that it's falling down. I just don't know when. I don't even know if it'll happen, but that's what I do see. I said, as in the trend, we're just following trend. So I said we need to really kind of get back down here to the 849 level, 8492, 8493 level. Start to really break this level before I can solidify stops, move stops to break even. As like I said, if you would have seen yesterday, we had broke down, came up for the retest, broke down. I could have moved my stops then, got took out, right? Because we did really, that's not really far enough for me to, be moving stops. That was what, like a 20, 25 pip move stop. And I'm looking for like pips like 236. It's just not enough pip movement for me to move my stops in this pair. So yeah, like I said, still sitting in here, floating around $1 right now. Nothing too much going on. Kind of nothing too much. We are, like I said, creating lower high versus this one right here, and so that is good to see. And so we just need to see if price can continue pushing down. Going on to the dollar Swiss franc, basically nothing has been happening. Like I said, it just started the new candle. Like I said, we did push down, and now we push back up. Just ping ponging. Nothing's really happening in these trades. That's not floating only around like a few bucks. Nothing really happening in these trades. Pound Swiss franc got same as well. We came down. We actually almost took me out of this trade, and but we came and pushed back up. Now I don't know if we'll go back down there, but like I said, we'll just have to wait and see. Now, like I said, we could talk about the NFP change rate. We came in just a little bit higher on the non-farm payrolls. We just came like a little bit higher. Nothing too much crazy. Nothing, because it was at 531. We only went up like what, 20,000 jobs. So it's not like a drastic change versus like November they forecasted. No, like in October they forecasted 490, and it came out to 194K. That's a drastic drop. They forecasted it in November 455, came out to 531. They forecasted 553, and I think did they not update the? Let me refresh. It should be updated because non-farm payrolls came out this month, just now, not too recently. Okay, it did drop, which did make sense because we did have, like I said, a pretty significant move. Even in like, let's say, let's look at USD CAD. USD CAD crashed today on the 4 hour. Like I said, we look at a 1 hour. Literally, it just started selling off because of the low numbers. So, I'm not too sure why the Australian New Zealand dollar had to do anything with that. So I'm not too educated in that, understanding why those two currency pairs would have any effect with the non-farm payrolls of the United States. Don't know. Does have nothing to do with the dollar pair. But it happened. It happened. Like I said, we got took out for $4.21. Nothing too, So we got took out for $4.27, but it is okay. We'll always look on to the next trade. But let's talk about some trades I am watching. I haven't looked at them yet, so this will be a live update. Okay. So I had this little trade drawn up, and I missed it too. Look, I had said it. The short idea: wait for a break of the trend line followed by a retest. Here's what's the trend line. Break of the trend line. Here come the retest. Follow down. Follow through. That's actually pretty annoying. I don't know. I thought I had an alert set, but I guess I didn't. Damn. Okay, maybe if we could get a little pullback up. We'll look to short the euro versus the Canadian dollar. But like I said, we'll see. New Zealand Canadian dollar. Definitely same plan. To follow the break and the retest. Missed massive trades on these two. Okay. I missed massive trades. So even me guys, I miss them. I miss them at times too. But yeah. So, if we go on, like I said, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, nothing too exciting other than I got stopped out of my New Zealand dollar. My pound Australian dollar is pushing up. Actually, I said the best trade winner of the week this week is the pound Australian dollar, sitting me around $30 profit right now. Yes, sir. I just set an alert for my stop loss. Still keep watching this. We have I think we're saying stop loss around $21 in profit, so around 3% of the account. Looking pretty good. Up nicely, I must say. We have the euro not really doing anything, ping ponging, even though I do like the rejection from these levels, so I am still very confident in my trade. Don't know what's really going to happen with the pound Swiss franc. Like I said, prices pushing up, pushing down. we are consolidating right now, so we do have this like this range here, right? We do have this range here, and we are starting to head towards the topper level of this range. So we should see if it really starts to break out, then we could really start seeing some bullishness in the dollar, and vice versa for the pound. Like I said, they're pretty much the same thing. If we start to break out, but for the pound Swiss franc, we actually pushing down, versus the dollar Swiss franc, we're pushing up. So that's kind of, like I said, it's been ping ponging. I really ain't made no decisions yet. It's just been going up and down for both pairs. So that's pretty much it. So guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram. I don't know why my videos have not been tagging my Instagram for whatever reason. But here's my Instagram right here. Let me actually do this for you guys. Yeah. Not this Instagram. That's my personal. But as you can see, this is Mr. Risky Wayne. This is me right here. Go ahead, follow me. Like I said, my Telegram channel is in my Instagram bio as well. Just started this channel, as you can see, very new followers. Get to see what I do on a daily basis other than trading. I basically just trade, but get to see me trade, get to see me post my highlights and everything like that. Also get my upcoming trade ideas. Also with my Telegram, get them also my trade ideas as well. And that will also be in the link of the description, guys. So I appreciate you staying all the way through with this video, and I will see you guys later. I'm out.